Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how can you compare a document. For example, you have a document and you want your colleague to review it and then modify it and send it back to you. But the document is very lengthy and you don't want to waste your time to compare the changes. So the MS Word give you this option. You can compare the two different documents in a very quick manner. How? For example, you have two documents. The document A is review and modified by colleague A, and document B is review and modified by colleague B. And if you want to compare them, how? Go to review tab, click on it, and there you can see on your right hand side there is an option compare. Click on it, go to combine. So what it need the original document and the revised document. In this case, the both documents are revised, so it doesn't matter which one you can put it in here and revise or original. For the original, for example, I am putting here B, and for the revise I am putting here A document, and click OK. It will give you a panel which shows you on your right hand side the document A and B. You can compare by scrolling up and down by your mouse. On your left hand side, the panel is showing you the combined document. For example, here if you see the heading is combined and it is mentioned by the red font. So all the changes or the combined text is mentioned here by the red font. If you are happy with the changes, okay. If you are not happy with the changes, for example, it is written in document B form 100K, but the document A it was written the form 10K. So the form 10K I feel it's good, so I want to change here in the combined document. Just click on the place and hit backspace, and it is done. So when you are done with the changes and you want to save the document, click on the save by option, and wherever you want to save, select the folder and save, and done. Now when you open the combined document, it will appear in front of you like this. It will keep showing you the changes, and you accept all the changes. You don't need to change anything anymore. So go in here and go here, accept, and press accept all changes. Once you are done, the red color will go away and the document is ready for you. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.